It's no surprise that people continue to talk about the Sunset Auto Family dealership's great customer service. Shelly said, "Great experience with both Craig and Doug. Very easy to work with before and after purchasing my new vehicle. No pressure, and their integrity is awesome. Thank you for a smooth experience." Jesse wrote in, "Great customer service. Will definitely be back for a future vehicle. From sales to finance, positive experience all the way around. No pressure, very knowledgeable." Just two of the hundreds and hundreds of positive social media comments from happy Sunset Auto Family customers. You can be sure that your Sunset Auto Family vehicle will be well taken care of by our skilled technicians. Ask about warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and the all-new maintenance for life, a Sunset exclusive. Extras that will save you thousands down the road. You just get more with the Sunset Auto Family, and people do like that.